Hi everyone, I'm Mr. T.Yousif, a math teacher in Rana School. Today we will talk about dilation. Dilation is a transformation, the change of the size of the figure, but not its shape. A dilation is not dilation. Some students say dilation. Dilation is wrong. Dilation is a transformation that changes the size of a figure. For example, this figure or this figure. How can you change size this figure? Changes the size of a figure, but not its shape. That's the same shape. The image and the pre-image are always similar, or the pre-image and the image are always similar. You know, of course, about similarities, last lesson. A scalar factor k, you know, of course, about scalar factor k. A scalar factor k describes how much the figure is enlarged, that means bigger, enlarged, or reduced. Enlarged or reduced. Maybe student you say, maybe it has a question say, how you know teach a graph is enlarged or reduced? When k equal to, you know, k equal to I over b, if k less than to 1, so the image is, if less than to 1, so the image is reduced. But if k is greater than to 1, so the image figure, pre-image is enlarged. But maybe you say, how you know teach k is greater than to 1 and k is less than to 1? You know k equal to I over b. K equal to I over b. I over b less than to 1 when I and b, of course you know I and b is integer numbers. IB, that means k less than to 1 when I less than to b. And k means I over b greater than to 1 when I greater than to b. For example, we have 3 over 2. K equal to 3 over 2. 3 over 2 greater than to 1 or less than to 1. K equal to 3 over 2. Since 3 greater than to 1, 3 greater than to 2, then K or 3 over 2 greater than to 1. But if K, for example, let K equal to 2 over 3. 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is less than to 1. Why less than to 1? Because 2 less than to 3. If 2 less than to 3, if I less than to b, that means this fraction less than to 1. I again repeat. K is a scalar factor. K describes how much the figure is enlarged or reduced. K equal to I over b. I over b less than to 1 when I less than to b. For example, 2 over 3. 2 less than to 3, that means 2 over 3 less than to 1. 2 over 3 less than to 1, that means k less than to 1. K less than to 1, the graph or the image is reduced. But k or I over b greater than to 1 when I greater than to b. For example, 3 over 2. 3 is greater than 2, that means k or 3 over 2 greater than to 1. If greater than to 1, so the image is enlarged. We have a rule about image point. Why talk about point? Dilation shape or figure, all figures make more than 2 points. More than 2 points. If 1 point, so it is just point. But if you have 2 points, so connected 2 points is line. Line is figure. If you have 3 points, so connected 3 points is triangle. So make triangle. Triangle is a figure. So this figure make just by 3 points. If you have 4 points, for example, 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, so connected 4 points, so it is parallelogram by same way. So now, how can find image point? Let or suppose P is any point. P is any point. Of course, you know about point. Point is ordered pair. Say point P. Point is x, y. X value of coordinate x on coordinate x. It's coordinate x and it's coordinate y. X positive, X negative. Y positive, Y negative. So it is coordinate plane. P is point. Point all time you can write by order pair X, Y. X, I said, belong to axis of X and Y belong to axis of Y. So when we have a point P is any point, is any point, and P prime is the image of P. P prime is the image of P. I said we have pre-image, that's mean original point or original figure, and image of the original point. So when we have a point, for example, P is given. Point P is given. So how can find prime P? How can find image P? P prime, that's mean image of the point P. P prime xy, that's mean P and P prime also is 2 points. P prime xy equal to K time Pxy. You know about K. K is a scale factors. K all time might be given, might be not given, but you can find by information. For example, if we have an exercise, if we have this question, grab the image of each triangle, not each point, but you know triangle, I say triangle connected by 3 points. If we can find image 3 points, so we can find image triangle. Grab the image of each triangle after a relation with the given scale factors. K scale factor is equal to 2. So how can find image triangle ABC? First of all, plot point ABC on coordinate XY. Coordinate XY. I equal to, how can determine point 1, 4. X equal to 1, it remain 1, is 1. Y equal to 4, so this point, 1, 4, it is point I. B, 1, 1, X equal to 1, Y equal to positive 1, so this point, this is B. C, equal to 3, 1, X equal to 3, Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, so it's 3. Connect 3 points. So it is given triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is given, but image triangle ABC is unknown. You should be find triangle ABC. I said triangle is made by 3 points. So first of all, find image 3 points. Point ABC. It's a form or formula to find image or a relation each point. Before anything, you think about scale factor. Scale factor is 2. I have a question. Scale factor is 2. So this figure, this image is reduced or enlarged. If you know, raise your hand. Now, scale factor is 2. 2 is given. 2 is a K. K is 2. K equal to 2. I said after find image or relation triangle ABC, the image is enlarged or reduced. I said K, okay, very good. K is I over B, K is 2. I said if K greater than 2, 1, so the graph, if K greater than 2, 1, the image or the graph image, the image is enlarged. But if K less than 2, 1, the image is reduced. So K is 2 is greater than 2, 1, then the image triangle IBC is enlarged. Now, find image each point. Point A is 1, 4, B 1, 1, C 3, 1 is given. Find image each point. I prime equal to I prime, P prime equal to K time X, K time 1. So I prime equal to K is 2. 2, 2. That's mean 2 times 1, 2 times I prime equal to 2 times 1, 2 times 4 equal to 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4 I. So I prime is equal to 2 I. B prime equal to 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So B prime equal to 2, 2. C prime equal to 2 times 3, 2 times 1. So 2 times 3 is 2 times 1, 2. So now we have 3 new points, I prime, B prime, C prime. Also by saying when it remain I prime, B prime, C prime on coordinate x1 and connected to make image triangle ABC. Now connect 3 points. I prime is 2, 8. 2, 8. This it is a point, x is 2. 2, that's mean x. 8 is y. 2 and 8. Where is 2, 8? 2, 8. Is 2, 8. This point. So it is A prime. I prime. B prime equal to 2, 2. Is 2 and 2. This point. It is B prime. C prime equal to x equal to 6, y equal to 2. It is 6 and 2. So opposite 2 and 6. Okay, this point. It is C prime. Now connect the 3 points. It's 2 about B, 2. Okay. So it is clear about new triangle, triangle I prime, B prime, C prime. So this image, original triangle, pre-image triangle is ABC, but image triangle is I prime, B prime, C prime. This red triangle is image triangle. This triangle is enlarged or reduced. Of course, it's very clear. This triangle is enlarged. I said when k greater than 2, 1, the image triangle ABC is enlarged. This lesson is finished. We will listen about next lesson after 15 minutes. Start to new lesson.